So after some mental breakdown thought, we are upgrading. We're upgrading. Here's to hoping the rest of hay season is just as fun. You guys want to open the box with me? I haven't even opened it. It's like a Christmas present. You really do open it like a Christmas present, like it's in paper. Fancy paper. Okay, here's to editing. See you guys in a while. We may get a little bit wet walking to work. Oh no. Oh goodness. Oh no. No, come on, kitties. You guys can't go to the shop. Come on. Hurry, kitties. So Jalen brought cats home from the shop. Well, now they're following. Come on, kitties. Oh goodness. There's actual, not that you guys can probably see it on the camera, but there's actual water standing now. Yay! Happy Friday from the horse barn. It's been a long time since I've showed you guys all this mess. Today is Friday, day something. I don't know what day it is. I got a new watch. I've had new gadgets. You would have thought it was my birthday this week instead of Jason's. New phones. New computer. We did get a new drone with the help of you guys. You guys are awesome, and we love your all support so much. I'm actually going to lift it up after a while. I started charging it last night, thinking I'd have time to do it yesterday, and I just let the day get a hold of me. So, we got that. The new laptop is fantastic. I don't know, even there's no words to even describe it because it is simply fast and amazing, and I didn't realize how much I needed a new computer until I got one. So we are gonna feed ponies this morning, and then Jason is loading some straw up for somebody, and then he's headed to Wheeler's to pick stuff up, deliver stuff, do stuff. The kids are helping Grandma get ready for market tomorrow, and I actually have to go back home because our internet is still having issues. Let me just sit you all down here, if you will sit. Yeah, nope, yeah, here, there. Our internet's still having issues, and it's kind of ticking me off because we have superb internet in our area. I should not have problems. So they think it's an actual the fiber and the actual line is having issues, not just the router and all that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going home and gonna work on some different stuff. actually I've been working on me, and I caught myself. Look, I got muscle regrowth again. And sometimes I just need a little camera shot to see that. You guys have been worried about me and my health. Don't worry, I was kind of worried about me too for a while, but I am finally taking care of like me. And I get worn down. We all get worn down, and this was probably the hardest summer we've had in quite a while. So just getting back to what makes me happy and what I thrive best at. And it's unfortunately, you guys, those that don't like the horses, you might have to just keep skipping over some videos. But I will always try to warn you if there's a horse vlog. You guys can just kind of bypass that and I get it. Hey, sweets, you ready to shore?
Yep.
Okay. So Rocky's gonna have to eat some of this today because I don't have the other bag up here.
Okay.
Okay, so that's Rocky.
Hi guys.
And then Storm gets this. Everybody's on Purina Ultimate Gas Drip right now. That's what I have in stock. I do have some Omega Match that's in pellet form that I've been giving Lena, but our local feed store was out of it, so I got the liquid again. So, all right, we're gonna tour. You gonna go take care of towels? Okay. We also probably need to move that pallet of feed sometime and get it down there.
Not if we're gonna move them.
Yes, I want it out of the barn. I want to get the barn clean this weekend. So, okay, guys, let's tour. Sissy, I gotta get the water hose. Roxy, come.
Roxy!
Hey, Roxy. Roxy, come. So I'm trying to set this up so that we can go outside and play around with it and check the corn crop. But my internet is down. Do you know what you need to set this up? Wi-Fi. Story of my life. Slightly afraid that this might take off in the house. We better go outside. So I hope you guys enjoy the drone shots from today. I was really just playing around with it, seeing the features, checking the corn, obviously, just learning how to run it because Keaton is going back to school soon and we will lose our drone flyer at least during the week. So the corn looks surprisingly well. It has made a huge difference with getting a little bit of rain. We have finally eased out of that D3 drought status that we've been in all summer long. So thankful for that. You guys are awesome. Thanks for being a part of our story. Each and every video, we appreciate it because without you guys, we would not have been able to get the new toys this week. And it really just means a lot, you guys. Thanks so much for being a part of our story. I had a brief moment that I was afraid that somebody would hit the drone if I was in the road. So I was like, oh no, need to move over. I don't even think Jason realized I was filming at all when he was mowing. we're playing. Take it out! Checking the crop. So then Jason came home and he was playing with the drone, and you can see the features of like the zoom, and he really likes to get those big angle shots where he can see a whole bunch of things. This is actually the beans right next to our house. You can see the path that I walk every single day. This field is the alfalfa field that we'd had in it for the last 7 years, since 2014. So it's been due to come out of alfalfa, and yeah, this is where the oats were. It's always fun to see. And I'm actually trying out a new like kind of thing with my own computer and like voice over these shots. So just different things with this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. What do you think? It's pretty cool, isn't it? I don't know if I remembered showing you guys or not, because we got caught up in corn silage and just life. But look at the little Sky Rider puppies. Sky. It's okay. Roxy came in behind me, so she's guarding the babies. Guarding the babies. Aren't they the cutest little things? 2 females, 3 males. There's standing water, guys. Standing water. Look at the corn. I know I showed you guys the drone yesterday with the corn. Ah, happy Saturday, everyone. We're walking down again. I needed fuel, so walked back. They're so happy. So happy. Everybody's happy. I'm happy. Look at the yard. The boys got it all mowed up nice. It's the first time we mowed our yard since like May. Oh, don't mind the crazy hair. I'll wash it later. No sense in washing it before I do chores, right? It is absolutely gorgeous. It rained and stormed through the night, like lightning stormed. We had a ½ inch at home, but I think there was more closer to like 1 inch. The rain gauge was kind of at an angle, so I'll have to look at Carol's. I forgot to earlier. So it's Saturday. Kids and Carol went to market. I'm on chore duty. It is absolutely gorgeous, 72 degrees. And then this afternoon when the kids get back, we are doing a day trip, and I'm taking them and some of their little friends, and we're going up to our little water park. I have not been since like I was in school. So the kids, Keaton's been a lot, Jalen's never been, so just something fun. It's something easy that we can do just for a day, and yeah, because we only have 1 week left before school starts. So I'm just trying to throw in as much in the next few days between Keaton helping us work around the farm, but still having fun in between. But yeah. It's gonna be a good day. I'm not gonna lose my smile today. Hope not anyway. What are we up to today?
Rain day.
Rain day! We've had more rain days in the 12 days of August than we've had all summer.
I finally get sleep.
We finally get some rest. But no rest for the wicked. We still have chores, and where are we gonna go now?
Oh, see our mama girls.
See our mama.
Just spill my drink.
Oh, hold on to it. There's a cup holder right there. Oh no, there's so many of them. The grass looks so good. It's amazing what it's amazing what some good warm rain will do. Should have brought the drone over here. So this morning we're just out crop checking. Looking at a couple of different fields. Checking the bottom alfalfa this morning. Do you think we'll mow it? We won't mow it tomorrow because it's muddy.
It's supposed to rain again.
Oh, is it? I didn't realize it was supposed to rain again. August is going to be wet. What was that, Ryder? Look at that. Alfalfa's my favorite. Look at how beautiful the stand is. Where are you going? Hey, where are you going? Come on. Come on. Ferocious. Guess we'll mow this before we do any more corn silage.
Get our last cut.
Cut my hair.
Didn't want to because how long I have time to look everything.
Well, I guess that's the price you have to pay for a fourth cutting alfalfa. Priorities, kid. Priorities. I think this is probably our best, like when, I don't remember you planting that field, but these are our best fields coming off this corn silage. Probably gonna have to rip this up, aren't we?